People gonna say all kind of things about you, but you not pay them. Don't you pay them no mind. I like that them will leave a try.
We're in Mona for this week's episode of Pree Dis. I'm your host Chrissy, and it's another jam-packed show full of music videos, interviews, and so much more. Come with us as we unearth the latest in entertainment and lifestyle right here in Jamaica. It was the Girls Town edition, and Ghost performed his biggest hits. Let's check out the highlights from Mello Vibes.
Do you remember?
Ready for no peace and war. People up is ready to run down. People up chill like some run down.
Should I even listen? Should I even? We'll just be hearing the same old lies. Oh boy, say it doesn't matter what you do to yourself, because our relation, look at me, other people I'm sing. You say things from the way
thought everything would be fine. Saw nothing special about you. Still you were playing in my mind. Almost one day, the time of your life. But it was yesterday when I saw you dominating. You and my baby, my heart from the pain. Oh Lord.
We hope you're learning something each week. Now listen up for another reason why you should drink water.
These benefits of drinking water are brought to you by Crystal Punch Refreshing Spring Water. Another of the benefits of drinking water is that it can help you heal faster. There's a reason your doctor tells you to drink more fluids when you're coming down with something. Your body has to ramp up to launch an attack against the germs when you're sick, which means your cells need more fluids and calories to keep up with the demands. For instance, you're losing fluids when your nose starts to run in your body's attempt to flush out pathogens. Because you need that strong function to fight off sickness, your body will require lots of hydration. These benefits of drinking water are brought to you by Crystal Punch Refreshing Spring Water.
After the break, we meet Kacique and we premiere a new video. We'll be right back.
Our spirit is proud. Our spirit stands strong. Our spirit is pure. Our spirit is in song. Our spirit is at the beginning. Our spirit is there at the end. Our spirit is born in Jamaica. Our spirit will always contend. Ray and Neville, our spirit.
We are top man, we take charge. Magnum we drink and we are shell down bars. Blast like a star with some gallopar. Overdo it, we take it too far. Take charge, take charge.
We are hot gal, we set the trend. Magnum we drink for the top man them. Wine with the style, no stop from spend. Hot blend, back bend, and take charge, take charge. Ready for the video, we are prime time. Anywhere you see we go, we are headline. We back, we talk, we own waistline. Cut the cart, now we ready for the wine. Take charge, take charge.
You know how we with Magnum buckle. Slide and a glide and a bust big tackle. Big sound a rise and the whole place rockle. No, we turn up in a sack. Take charge, take
charge.
Overdo it, we take it too far.
Wine with the style. Wine with the style.
Magnum tonic wine for the real star them. Take charge, take charge.